Hi everyone, and welcome to the Sony Support channel. If you're experiencing no sound, or sound only coming from one side of your WH-1000XM6 headphones, don't worry. Most issues can be fixed right away. Follow this step-by-step guide to get your audio back. First, the essential checks. Volume. Turn up the volume on your connected device. Connection reset. Simply power off the headphones by holding the power button, wait a few seconds, and then power them back on. If you are using the headphones with a cable, ensure the 3.5mm audio cable is pushed firmly into both the headphone jack and the connected device. It should clip past the first point of resistance. If you use the Sony Sound Connect app and have multi-point connection enabled, make sure playback is stopped or the music app is closed on the first connected device before trying to listen on the second. Most remaining issues are related to the connection. Follow these steps to completely clear and re-establish the link. Charge. Plug in your headphones and ensure they have adequate battery life. Restart device. Turn your smartphone, tablet, or PC off and then back on. Delete and repair. Go to your device's Bluetooth settings. Select the WH-1000XM6 and choose Forget or Delete the device. Then put your headphones into pairing mode and connect them again. If you are connecting to a computer, the wrong audio output can cause sound to drop or play on one side. For Windows, right-click the speaker icon on your taskbar, then open Sound Settings or the Sound Control panel. In the Playback tab, make sure your Sony headphones, specifically the headset profile, is set as the default device. The headset option is crucial for two-way audio. If the connection and source settings are correct, we'll perform a standard reset to clear any internal glitches. To reset, turn the headphones off. Now press and hold both the power button and the noise cancelling ambient button simultaneously for about 7 to 10 seconds. Release the buttons once the reset is complete. The final step is initialization, which restores the headphone to the factory state. Warning: this deletes all saved settings and pairing information. To initialize, with the headphones powered off, press and hold both the power button and the noise cancelling ambient button simultaneously for about 15 seconds. The indicator light will flash a few times and then turn blue 4 times when initialization is complete. Once initialized, you must repair the headphones with your device. This often resolves persistent sound issues. If you follow these 6 steps, from checking the cable to initialization, and the audio problem remains, your headphones may require service. Please visit the Sony Support page and use our product repair tool to check your options. Finally, if you have a different model of headphones or are experiencing another issue, please head to the link below for additional support. Thanks for watching this guide. Subscribe for more official troubleshooting tips and enjoy your music.